Welcome to the part 5 video of image processing with OpenCV and Python. In this video, I shall be discussing about how to apply a blur effect on the image. With respect to OpenCV package, we have a different blurring techniques. First one is the averaging, the second one is Gaussian blur, the third one is the median blur, and the fourth one is bilateral filtering. In this video, I shall be showing you how we apply a Gaussian blur effect on our original image. So what we do is, as usual, let us import our OpenCV package, that is CV2. And here I am going to import one more package called as a NumPy package. So what is this NumPy package? This is a library for Python programming, which is going to basically support the matrix and large multi-dimensional array. As we know that our image is literally a matrix. So I'm going to have my NumPy as a package. If just check if your system do have this NumPy package or not. If it is, how do we check this? So we are going to make use of pip install NumPy. Just press enter key. See, if the NumPy package is not present, it will be installed automatically, or else if it is already present, then it just shows that the requirement already satisfied. So since my system already contains this NumPy, so let me go ahead. I'm going to read my image here. So how do we read the image? So I'm going to take a variable called as an src here. And then what I do is I'll be using, we know that cv2 dot imread is the inbuilt function that what I have, and specify your file name, and our file name is image1.jpg. And then once we have read this original file, the source file, now I have to apply a Gaussian blur. Now what is this Gaussian blur is? So a Gaussian blur effect is a pre-processing stage in a computer vision algorithm, where your Gaussian blur is also called as a Gaussian smoothing. And what this Gaussian smoothing does is it typically reduces the noise which exists in the image, or it also reduces the details of an image. So how do we do that? So I'm going to take one more variable called as a DSP, and in OpenCV package we have cv2 dot. I have a function called as a Gaussian blur, where I have to pass a few parameters here. Those parameters are your source file, I mean the source image file, for which image you're going to apply a Gaussian blur. So, and then followed by, I'll be specifying the source as src, and then we are going to specify the amount of blur effect that you would like to apply on your image in terms of x-axis and y-axis, what we generally call it as sigma x and sigma y. So higher is your sigma x and sigma y value, higher is the blur effect that is being applied on the image. So lower is the value of your sigma x and sigma y, the lower is the blur effect that is being applied on the image. So then what we have to pass is, we have to apply or provide the boundary for your image where your Gaussian blur is being applied. So we have an attribute for that, cv2 dot, we have an attribute called as border default. So this is an attribute which is going to help you to apply a Gaussian blur effect on the selected boundary. So once we have done with this, let us display our blur image along with the original image. So we know that how to display an image along with a window. So we have cv2 dot imshow is an inbuilt function that what we had. So here what I have to specify is, I have to specify the window name, and I'm going to specify the window name as a blur effect. So I have applied a Gaussian blur effect here. And then to display both source file, source image, and the destination or the blur image on one single window, here your NumPy package comes into the picture. So I'll be using NumPy. Then followed by, I have an attribute for a NumPy called as a head stack, which takes both source and the destination variables. NumPy dot, we have head stack is what we have. Then you have to specify the source and the destination. So this is going to help you to display both the source image and the destination image on one single image window, where your source image is the original image and destination image is your blurred effect image that what you have applied. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to use cv2 dot wait key, specify the delay as 0. So this is going to sustain your image window as long as you press any key. And finally, you just close the window by using a destroy all windows. So that's it. That is my program which is going to apply a blur effect on my image. So here I'll be using an inbuilt function called as a Gaussian blur to the specified source file, and then I apply the amount of blur effect that has to be applied on my image and specify the boundary using an attribute called as cv2.border default. And then I will be using my head stack, which is an attribute of NumPy, which helps me to display the original image and the blur image on one single window. So my program is ready. Let me run this and see what is our output. Now you can see both the original file and the destination file, where this file is being blurred. The value that what I have given is 5. And now what we can do is you can increase the size here. As I increase the size, you can notice what difference that you can find. I'll save this and again I will run this. So there is a small change what I have to do. So let me change the value here. So this is 5 and this is also 5. So rather I'll specify this as 15 and 15. Then see what's going to happen. Now you can see higher the value, higher is the value, higher is the blur effect that is being applied here. So in the next video, I shall be showing few more operations on your image with the help of OpenCV and Python. Thank you.